Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I am excited to show you guys a tool that I have been using for about the last month now. I've had my eye on it for a while. I didn't know if I should get it, and then it went on some lightning deal sale on Amazon, so I picked it up, and honestly it's been one of the best purchases I've ever made. The tool that I'm talking about is this cordless ratchet from the company Kemo. I got this guy off Amazon. It normally retails for about, I think it normally retails for $90 on Amazon. Like I said, I bought it when it was on like a lightning deal on Amazon, so it's $25 off. I only paid $65 for it. I've been looking at it for a while, and let me tell you guys, all the projects that I do always involve nuts and bolts. You know, whether I'm installing something new on my truck, taking something old off of my truck, it's always having to do with, you know, nuts and bolts, which you always need a socket for. And going from always using a hand crank socket wrench to being able to get a cordless ratchet like this is a total game changer. So a couple quick facts about the tool. It comes inside one of these boxes. You get 10 different sockets that come with it. And the best part about this tool, in my opinion, is that you get not one, but 2 batteries that come with this thing. If you guys are familiar with the marketplace right now with cordless ratchets, there are certain companies out there that charge you a lot more than the cost of this product, and then they make you buy the battery for the tool separately. To me, that's just a little bit crazy. Maybe I can understand if you're like using the tool every single day and it's part of like your trade or your business or something like that. But for like the DIY, you know, weekend warrior kind of person like myself, this is the best tool because it's not that expensive and it's going to last you a while. It's going to do everything that you need it to do. On the advertisement, it's rated for 40 foot-pounds of torque. I don't believe that. I mean, it definitely has some good breakaway torque, and I haven't run into anything yet where I had to, like, you know, use it as like a manual, you know, socket wrench or anything like that. But I just don't believe that it comes with that much power with the batteries that it does have. And this isn't like a sponsored video or anything like that. I've legitimately been using this product for like a month. I've used it on 3 or 4 different projects. One of these projects, you'll actually be seeing the video for that pretty soon. Really excited about that one. And it has held up tremendously. It has saved my knuckles and my fingers from a bunch of different nicks and cuts that I typically get on these types of projects because I got to get my hands in these tight spaces and I got to, you know, work the socket wrench a bunch of different times. And I always wound up banging or cutting myself or something like that. But now you can just get this guy because it's not very big. You can see in relevance to my hand. It's a 3/8 size, and you know, it's like forward and back, reverse on the front, or on the forward and reverse on the back of the tool. Sorry, it's got a little light that lights up so you can see, you know, because a lot of times you're getting into really small, tight spaces. And honestly, guys, it's one of the tools that you don't realize what you're missing out on until you pick it up and use it for yourself. And real quick, big shout out to my buddy Willie for sending me in this awesome shirt. It even has my old truck on the back that I, you know, painted with Raptor liner and all of that kind of stuff. Actually, fun fact, today is the 1-year anniversary of me Raptor lining the 06. It's crazy to think how far we've come in such a short period of time. We're at over 6,000 subscribers right now. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I just thank you guys so much for all of your support. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything about the tool or anything in general, just leave in the comments below, and as always, I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.